I'd say that most people are familiar with this style fixture table clamp. It's almost like a woodworker's F clamp, but this one is pretty cool from Strong Hand Tools. It's a ratcheting fixture table clamp, and it is unbelievable the amount of force that you can achieve with one of these clamps. I just thought it was pretty cool. Wanted to show you guys in case you'd never seen one. Hit the release there, pick it back up, and it's ready for the next clamp job. Pretty cool.